Assalamu alaikum students. This is Faragil here and we have today the lecture with you for the second semester for reading comprehension and writing composition. Till now we have been discussing reading comprehension, how we can improve our reading abilities. We discussed vocabulary elements, we discussed other elements of decoding for the purpose of grabbing the meaning from the text. Now we have to move towards writing composition, which means how to compose the grammatical elements, how to compose the written text. So, before writing, before indulging into the activity of practical writing, we have to focus at the phase of pre-writing, which means before writing particularly and practically, we have to prepare ourselves for the purpose of writing that particular text. So there are few techniques which should be followed and implemented at the level of pre-writing. If we follow those techniques, we can improve our writing ability. So first activity, first technique at the level of pre-writing is brainstorming. If you just implement the approach of reading comprehension here, you have to decode the word. That is a compound word, that is mixture of two words, brain and storm. So this technique is called as brainstorming. What it means, whenever we are told about any topic to think upon, whenever we are told about any topic to write, we just activate our mind. We just keep on focusing the that topic. A kind of storm occurs in our brain, in our mind. We activate all its aspects and we try to collect material, we try to order and organize the material related to that topic. So, brainstorming means create a storm in our brain, which means we fully activate our mind to work upon the particular topic. So that is an important activity, that is an important technique at the level of pre-writing to prepare ourselves to write something practically on any topic. So the next technique is mind mapping. What it means, we just try to create a map in our mind, such as if you have to write something on human rights, so your main topic will be human rights. So you have to talk about its benefits, you have to talk about its advantages and disadvantages. So you will create the bar of advantages and disadvantages to separate. Then we'll just mention all disadvantages, further extending the bar from disadvantages, and we'll just keep on mentioning all the advantages by extending the bar from the advantages section. You can see the example on page number 6, that is cellular services provided in Pakistan. That is the main topic. So we just keep on extending it from the into the other branches of that topic. So that is called as maybe making a map. That is termed as making a map. We just keep on creating a map which helps us to convert all that graphical mapped material into proper written text. So we have discussed till now two techniques. First one is brainstorming and second one is mind mapping. Third one is making list, which is also known as outlining. You people have been writing, you people might have written an essay with the help of outline. despite of just starting the essay and keep on writing whatever the idea comes into our mind, and we just keep on writing that on the paper. First we have to draw an outline. We have to make the list what to write and what to not. That is the first element, what to include and what to exclude. Then at the second level, we'll just try to organize the outline, what to write at the beginning and what to write at the middle and end of the level. So till now we discussed three aspects. One is brainstorming. I hope you people have understood. Next one is mind mapping, and third one is making list, outlining the text. So these are the three pre-writing techniques which can be followed and which should be followed to make our writing more effective. I would like to suggest you people to consult more techniques, to consult the internet or any other sources, any other book, to find out what are the other techniques which we should follow while writing the text, which we should follow at the level of pre-writing, which will help us to organize our writing, which will help us to make our writing more beneficial. Okay, in the next lecture, we'll just talk about actual level of writing. So you people should understand and listen to the text. If you will have any kind of issue, do let me know. And I suggested you people to consult other sources and find out other techniques which are implemented at the level of pre-writing. Thank you.